What, babe?
You.
Cute. What are you eating?
I juice.
What?
That juice.
Orange juice? What are you eating though in your mouth?
No.
Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Say spaghetti.
I
Yummy! Oh good, you're putting it in your hair. Did Daddy have spaghetti too?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Yeah.
Sing it to me.
Twinkle good guys. Yeah. Up. Apple up this. Up this. Up the sky. Red. Nice.
Oh, that was a good one. Did you sing to Mommy?
Yeah.
Thanks, baby. Do you want some orange juice? Here you go. Is it yummy? It doesn't fit in there. Mommy, take it.
No.
Why?
No.
What? Mommy's just holding it for you.
No.
Why?
No.
But I have it right here.
Yes.
What's the matter with that?
Orange juice.
It's right here. Want some?
Eat it, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, honey. Can I have it again? Give it. Mommy, have it.
No.
Why, Mommy? Mommy, have it. Mommy,
No.
say bye-bye. Say goodnight.
Orange juice.